Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make delicious Jamaican curry lobster. First, you'll want to prepare your fresh lobster, typically about 2 pounds, by cleaning it thoroughly and splitting the tails. Next, gather all your vibrant ingredients, including a good quality Jamaican curry powder, creamy coconut milk, and an assortment of fresh vegetables. Make sure to finely chop 1 large onion, 2 cloves of garlic, and 1 colorful bell pepper. Having everything prepped and ready before you start cooking makes the process smooth and enjoyable. Now let's get cooking. Heat about 2 tablespoons of your preferred cooking oil in a large pot or Dutch oven over a medium flame. Add your finely chopped onion, garlic, and bell pepper, sautéing them until they become fragrant and tender, which usually takes about 3 to 5 minutes. Next, stir in 3 tablespoons of authentic Jamaican curry powder, toasting it for about 1 minute to release its aromatic flavors. For a kick, add 1 whole Scotch bonnet pepper, being careful not to break it unless you desire extra spice. It's time to bring all those wonderful flavors together. Pour in 1 can of rich, full-fat coconut milk and 1 cup of water, stirring well to combine everything. Bring this flavorful mixture to a gentle simmer, then carefully add your prepared lobster pieces to the pot. Cover the pot and let it cook for about 8 to 10 minutes, or until the lobster is perfectly tender and cooked through. Finally, stir in a few sprigs of fresh thyme and a handful of pimento berries for that truly authentic Jamaican taste. Your incredible Jamaican curry lobster is now ready to be enjoyed. Before serving, remember to carefully remove the whole Scotch bonnet pepper if you added it, to prevent any accidental bursts of extreme heat. Garnish your beautiful dish with a sprinkle of fresh chopped scallions and a bright squeeze of lime juice for an extra zing. This rich, aromatic curry pairs wonderfully with fluffy steamed white rice or warm, soft roti bread. Get ready to savor every delicious bite of this authentic Caribbean delight.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.